Morning, guys. Today we are going on a morning drive to work. So this is my new morning drive to work. Currently at Twala. We'll be heading to Ongatarongai. Then we head to the Langata Road and get into town, into Nairobi City, the CBD. Currently 6:11 in the morning, and this is how Twala market looks like. That's the stage. It's a nice Land Rover. It's a nice one. It's a Defender 110. It's a type of car for this terrain. It's gone. This is Nazarene University. Nazarene University. We call this place Ole Kasasi. This is Ole Kasasi. And this is Multimedia University. This is the Cambridge International School. And that is Galleria Mall. Now we are heading to Langata Road, then get into town. That's the entrance to the Nairobi National Park. Now we are on Langata Road. It's just cruising in Langata Road cruising. Let's go. It's Wilson Airport. Traffic. Welcome to the city under the sun. Good morning, guys. From Nairobi, Kenya. Former school. This is where I come to park the car. Yep. This is the parking spot. This one. That's Technical University of Kenya. And ahead, you can see we have the Central Bank of Kenya. This is where I went to school, by the way. Technical University of Kenya. Now I'm heading home. It has been a good day. Let's go, guys. This is evening rush hour traffic. It's around 6:21. And everyone is rushing home. This is how Langata Road looks like. Not much traffic. No pressure, man, no pressure. Just cruising, no pressure. So enjoyable to drive on a rush hour. And interesting also. Traffic, and nothing else. Currently at Galleria Mall. I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of videos. If you are, leave a like. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Continue watching my videos, guys. Thank you so much.